I said I have already account, so there is no need of assigning things up. But if you don't, you can sign up, and then as I said, there is an email that you require to enter, and that email must be active because the activation link will be sent to that email, and then you follow the other procedure. They are very straightforward. Now let me sign in, and for me I sign in like that. And this, I think this one is not correct one. Let's sign in, and you can see after signing in there is this something, and here at the top you can see we have the add button, so you can click here and you can add new repository like that. And when you add new repository, you can come here and use this. You can just say tests git server. You can do description. You must be public, so if you want it to go public, and then you can come here and create your folder. So there is nothing here that you need to hand apart from this one, readme. This one is very important. You have to click it. Then after that you can come and click create a repository.